Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I am doing a lemon drizzle cake. I know I did the cupcake ones, but I thought I'll do an actual cake. I'm not sure how many sins it is, but I'm really looking forward to cooking again. So let's get on with what we will need. So we've got flour, 2 eggs, sweetener, baking powder, and some butter. So we're going to get the self-raising flour, and it's 100 grams, and we're going to put it in the bowl. Watch it all go mince. So we open it up and we just put it in like so. Like so. Then we're going to get the 2 eggs. One. Oh. 2. Mess already. Like so, and we're just going to mix it together. Just mixing the flour and the eggs together. Like so. You need strong muscles for these. And it already is getting hard, so because there's still flour at the bottom, I'm just gonna keep mixing until all that flour is stuck together like this. So the mixture looks like that, and it says 6 tablespoons. So that is what we're going to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then mix that together, making sure it's all together more, and enjoy it. So we've mixed the sweetener together. Always put the lids back on because you never know when it's just gonna fall over. So we're also getting the butter, and we're going to put 50 grams. So this is 500 grams. So I'll measure. It's mixing quite lovely. So mix that butter in. This is where you get your arms working. Good exercise because you're mixing all the mixtures together. So the flour, the egg, the sweetener, the butter, and I put a couple of drops of lemon as well. So that is, and it smells absolutely gorgeous, but that is the result. So now we're going to get the vegetable oil, and we're going to put in this little cup 80 milliliters. Yeah. So that is what we're going to fill this up and plop it in. Lovely jubbly. It's making it easy to mix it all together. Smells just. So we've done that. Turning it for about 2 minutes. Oh my god, that smells so nice. And then we're actually going to put it in the tin. There we go, and the mixture is lovely. So now we're going to get our cake tin. So you can decide to have a long one like this or a round one. I like this one, it's quite deep. So we're actually going to put this in. So now we're going to put it in the tin. Sorry if the sun's on it, you can't really see. I'll show you a bit better in a minute. So you're going to scoop it all out into the tin. So that is it in the tin. Hopefully it rises. Otherwise it's going to be a small lemon cake. So we're going to put this in the oven. So we're going to put it in the oven like this for 40 minutes. And hope for the best. So I will see you back in 40 minutes. Hey guys, so I'm going to check on it. I can smell it. It smells absolutely gorgeous. I think I've got about 12 minutes left. Oh my god, that has risen. I was so worried that it wasn't going to rise, but it has. Just look how much it's risen. It's mad, isn't it? But we've still got 12 minutes left. We've still got 12 minutes left, but it smells gorgeous. It's risen. But we ain't finished there. We still got to put the icing sugar on it. Yeah, it's going to be so nice. It smells absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, I'll be back with another update once it's done. So it's out of the oven and look at it. It smells absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes to cool down before we do the finishing touch, which is the icing sugar. We're doing the icing. So it's basically the icing, boiling water, mix to your heart content, and then place it on the cake. So we have the cake. So we're going to get the icing and just decorate. Hey guys, I forgot to sign off, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe down below and click that notification bell so it will notify you when I upload a video. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.